Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. How fast does Bevespi work? You may notice some improvement in your breathing within minutes to an hour after using Bevespi Aerosphere, formoterol and glycopyrrolate, but it is considered a maintenance medication and is used long-term for the treatment of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Bevespi Aerosphere is not used to treat sudden breathing problems. Use a fast-acting rescue inhaler such as albuterol for sudden breathing problems. In 24-week-long clinical studies of Bevespi Aerosphere, significant improvements in lung function tests, FEV1, were seen at 24 weeks when compared to the individual medicines found in Bevespi or an inactive placebo. Bevespi Aerosphere also showed a significant improvement versus an inactive placebo on other measures of lung function, peak FEV1, within 2 hours post-dose, and on use of rescue medication. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, is a long-term lung disease that includes emphysema and chronic bronchitis. It is often a result of cigarette smoke and smoking. In COPD there is inflammation, swelling, in your lungs that can make it hard to breathe. Symptoms of COPD include trouble breathing, cough, mucus, sputum, from your lungs, wheezing, a high-pitched sound when you breathe. How do you use Bevespi Aerosphere? Bevespi Aerosphere is a long-acting inhaler that contains 2 bronchodilators, a long-acting beta-adrenergic agonist, LABA, called formoterol fumarate and a long-acting muscarinic antagonist, LAMA, called glycopyrrolate. Bevespi Aerosphere is normally given as 2 inhalations twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, using a metered dose inhaler. If your doctor's instruction for dosing is different, follow those instructions. Your healthcare provider can show you how to use a metered dose inhaler. If you have trouble using a metered dose inhaler, ask your doctor or pharmacist about using a spacer device that will ease your inhalations. Learn more. How do you use Bevespi Aerosphere? Keep your rescue inhaler like albuterol, Proair Proventil Ventolin, or levobuterol, Xopenex, with you at all times. If you do not have a rescue inhaler, ask your doctor for a prescription. Rescue medicines are also known as short-acting beta-agonists, SABAs. Bevespi Aerosphere is used to improve your lung function and may help to reduce your use of a rescue inhaler. Do not stop using Bevespi Aerosphere unless your healthcare provider tells you to, because your symptoms can worsen. Should Bevespi be used long-term? Yes. Bevespi is considered a long-term inhaled medication to control your COPD symptoms. Bevespi Aerosphere was evaluated in 2 24-week-long clinical studies of over 3,700 patients with moderate to very severe COPD. The results showed that patients who took Bevespi Aerosphere twice daily could breathe out significantly more air in 1 second, a lung function test called FEV1, compared to those who took its individual components, glycopyrrolate 9 micrograms, formoterol fumarate 4.8 micrograms, or a placebo, an inactive agent. Bevespi Aerosphere also demonstrated a significant improvement versus an inactive placebo on other secondary breathing tests, such as peak FEV1, within 2 hours after the dose. A lowered amount of daily rescue medication was also seen when compared to an inactive placebo treatment. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.